It's avocado crema, just avocado, olive oil, clove of garlic, lemon juice. I decided to sprinkle some cumin and just like mix it in. In here I have a can of chickpeas that I washed and drained, and I'm mashing it with a fork. I prefer mashing it with a fork rather than just putting it in the blender, since it gets like that chunkier consistency that will be perfect for the sandwich I will make. And then just adding some green onions and some chopped dill pickle. I'm also adding that avocado crema that I previously made. Mix it all in. And then just adding some salt, pepper to taste. And then I decided to add some dill. I didn't have fresh dill, I had frozen dill, but fresh will go pretty well. And I toasted some bread, adding that mixture. And then adding some microgreens for a little crunch. And there you have it. Your sandwich is ready. It tastes amazing. And I decided to add as a side some baked sweet potatoes that I had leftovers from the previous day. I'm just doing like a midweek Trader Joe run, just to replenish some of the things that are already gone, and like fruits and veggies. And I want to show you what I got. I got this organic bread, sesame seed bread. It has a lot of spice, like the ingredients are pretty simple, like sprouted. It's very good bread. I got this from Trader Joe's. It's just like great for sandwiches and stuff. I got from Trader Joe's, I got my favorite grilled artichoke house. Those are great. I use them for pizzas, like flatbread pizzas, like when I want to make something quick and delicious for dinner. I got a couple of cans of organic black beans. I'm gonna try to make a veggie burger with those, but I don't know. I think it's like a really hard process. I got a can of organic coconut milk. Since I've been like doing this overnight oats for breakfast, and I will show you how I make it. It's super simple and easy. They're very delicious, and when you like have no time to make breakfast, you can do this at night, and you can have it for up to like 3-4 days. Just put the toppings in the morning and get yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast. I got a organic cauliflower, this eggplant garlic spread from Trader Joe's. It's great with crackers, it's great on sandwiches. I got some avocados, like a bunch of avocados. I got this arugula. I got this raw almond butter because I'm getting low on my almond butter. I love having almond butter and peanut butter all the time. And then from Trader Joe's I grabbed my favorite toothpaste. It's this Tom's Anti-Plaque and Whitening. And very important thing, I use the fluoride-free one. I love it. I've not had any issues or any cavities. I switched to fluoride-free toothpaste like 3 years ago. And I've been using only this one, and it's great. Like I've not had any problems. So pretty much that's it. It's not a whole lot. It's just, as I'm saying, it's just like the few things that I was low on and needed to grab, and just to like make something for dinner. Since we like switched to organic produce, I see myself going to the store like every other day. The organic stuff doesn't last long, and especially eating a lot of fruits and veggies just make me go to the store every other day. So it's kind of frustrating sometimes, but that's the way. If you want to eat healthy, that's the only way to do it. So alright, thanks for watching. That was just a quick saying hi. I'm just gonna go hike later today, but I've been obsessed with buying men's t-shirts from Goodwill. I kind of this one and cropping them myself. I was like, I found this yesterday. I washed it and cropped it, and it's just the perfect like style for right now. I think this is so in, like the tie-dye stuff. I've never cooked anything like dessert, pretty much never. Like, I'm not into baking, but I've been trying to make banana bread with almond flour for a while now, and I just found the recipe. I have these like ripe bananas, and I have all the ingredients right now at home, so I was like, I'm just gonna try to make it. I found this recipe online and see what it's gonna turn out. I'm starting right here with some I just put some walnuts on top, poured it. I poured it in that like pan. It didn't say on the recipe to put that paper, parchment paper, but I still did put the paper, and I put some walnuts on top, and let's see what it's gonna turn out. I have no clue. I've never made anything like this before. And it actually turned out really good, and it's so healthy because instead of flour you just use almond flour. So it was a great banana bread. And it's time for dinner, and I decided to make a salad and some fish. I have some arugula and heirloom tomatoes, avocados, and then I will just drizzle it with some balsamic reduction. So I just put some balsamic reduction, and I will put some of my homemade pesto. And then I decided to make the same salad, kind of in a mixed in version, tossed with the dressing. And I'm putting baby arugula, heirloom tomatoes, and in this version I'm adding a lot of fresh parsley just to make it extra healthy, and it goes really well. And then just adding some avocado. So I'm just going to put some salt, some balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. And in here I have my homemade pesto that I'm going to put on the fish. And I got some olives And meanwhile, enjoying a glass of wine. And fish was just seasoned with salt and pepper and then grilled. And on top, I'm just adding the pesto. And I didn't really film the plate, how it turned out with the salad. And just here is a little bit of the table setup and enjoying this with a glass of rosé. It's always a good choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.